Hello everyone, my name is Sami from Erphub and today we will be discussing the application Zoho Signs. First, I'll briefly explain what the application is all about, and then we'll talk about the benefits of using it. At the end, I will show you how to send out a document for signature using Zoho Signs. Let's get started. Physical signatures are used for everything, from government documents to banking forms and job applications. However, manually signing and managing documents can be a pain for most businesses. This old-fashioned method of signing documents can be repetitive, difficult to scale, and a waste of time, money, and labor. With Zoho Sign, transform the way you manage your documents. Zoho Sign is a complete digital signature app. Securely sign, send, and manage documents from anywhere at any time, without the hassle of transporting paper documents. Now you can leverage the power of legally binding digital signatures to make the hassle of manually signing a thing of the past. Cut down on the time it takes to get documents signed by converting frequently used documents into templates and sending them to multiple recipients simultaneously. You can track every step of the signing process with instant notifications delivered directly to your smartphone or laptop. Another key benefit is the high level of security. With military-grade encryption and advanced blockchain technology, Zoho Sign ensures the highest level of data security and complies with most international laws. Another key benefit is the remote collaboration aspect to it. With this application, you can add a public or private note to elaborate on document information and also track document status and send reminders to expedite the signing process. These key features ensure quick turnarounds in digital paperwork and can be the difference between business deals that win and lose. Lastly, Zoho Sign is integrated with over a dozen of Zoho apps, as well as many third-party apps. This allows you to quickly digitally sign documents directly from your apps that you're already using every day. Now I will be showing you how to send out a document for signature. The first step is to navigate to sign.zoho.com. Once you're there, click on the Sign tab on the left navigation panel and click Send for Signatures. Next, you need to upload the document that you would like for someone to sign. You can do that by clicking on this button or this button. For the purposes of this video, I'll be uploading a random document. On this field here, you can adjust the document name to your liking. After that, add the recipient's names and emails of who will be signing and performing other actions on this document. You can then choose to assign the recipient's role, whether they are signing it, approving it, or just viewing a signed copy. Here you can adjust the channel of communication, and you can also adjust the language for the signing interface to be displayed in, and add private notes using this icon. To configure an additional step of authentication via one-time password, you can click on this key icon. And here you can choose how you want to send the one-time password, whether it be email or SMS. If you would like to add additional recipients, you can click on this plus icon here. Now, under More Settings, you can set the document deadlines, adjust the agreement validity dates, and set periodic reminders for your recipients. Once you're done filling out all the necessary information, you can click on Continue. This will navigate you to the documents where you can drag and drop the fields of information and signatures required from each of your recipients. So now I will be adding the signature field in the initial field for the recipients to sign here. When you're done configuring everything, you can click the Send on the top right and then click Confirm. This tool can save a lot of time and money. Help your business grow and try Zoho Sign today. For more information and insights on Zoho, please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.